As the world champion in the third time, Dwanmere heads row 5 of the latest binding, and Jorge Lorenzo down on row 6. Irene, they're together on row 7. Chance of ending the track here.
So what's going through the mind? Tomorrow was. That means there's an opening there for the lights.
Marquez, the world champion.
They flick right. Petrucci, Marquez, Dovi, Rins. Dovi will not want to finish third here. Oh, I thought he was going to have a look there into Zaffelli, into Casanova, sorry.
Braking manoeuvres, Dane Westby to Salmo Westby, and then up the inside is Corey West. He held the best line through there, but he's got to get out of the bus stop the best.
Wow, that was intense. Everybody got through there clean. I'm afraid that he's a sitting duck out front on the 57. Here comes the number 40, got a great toe off a lapper right there. This is going to get really close right here. JDB's got a good run back there in the back.
Jason DeSalvo.
And Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into quite
This one then as they now head around.
into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
Like out, they're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we... Slipstream up the inside, a powerhouse on the Bologna Bullet into turn 1.
Can he get it stopped? That's the crucial question. Yes, he can. He sort of drags it, holds it up on the brakes into the middle of the corner, slows down Marquez. So Dovizioso then decides to pick up the baton. Dovizioso versus Marquez at the moment on this last lap. Crutchlow, Renzo and Rossi still right there.
Oh, big moment for Marquez. Almost loses the front. The rear comes round a bit, but they're still all in contention. Crutchlow still somehow there. Rins and Rossi also.
Oh, Crutchlow was in hot at turn number 4 as that just cost him crucial.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a
Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into quite
this one then as they now head around
into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quartararo a shock. Yamaha, he's on the stretcher.
Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Maggots and Beckett. Quartararo
into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
get a Fabio Quartararo a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklands. The checkered flag is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is!
Petrucci!
He's done it! Petrucci's dream is realised. He is a MotoGP